I really didn't know what to expect when I came in, but I love that everything is so hands-on. The instructors, they really care about how you're doing and how well you're understanding the material and how well you'll be able to do the labs and the hands-on stuff. You can tell they really care.
We have hands-on, we have the microscopes, we have the hemostats, we get to learn all the different machines and be with animals all day, and it's pretty exciting.
My first impression was I didn't expect to have like all the animals here. Like I expected it to be like a normal school, like you learn with stuffed animals and stuff, but it's really nice to have like actual live animals to work with.
I think one of the greatest things about Milwaukee Career College is our students get a fantastic hands-on experience throughout their clinical classes, throughout their externship experience. What I find that the students really appreciate are those hands-on skills, the opportunities to work with live animals, to work on people, on their classmates, to make sure that they feel comfortable to be successful in their field of choice.
They are super excited that they're able to actually spend so much time in the labs, so much time with instructors that have career experience. They're not just instructors, they're not just teachers and educators. They are professionals from the field, and so they really appreciate that as well.